Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, October 7th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. Welcome back, everyone. It's good to see you. I've had a lovely Sunday relaxing with my family. It's been our church's general conference where we get to hear all the leaders of our church speak to us on topics of the day and things that we need to work on and things like that, and it's been really lovely. I have been spending a lot of time looking for my makeup bag. You're going to see me makeup less for a while, I think, because my makeup bag appears to have possibly been stolen from my vehicle. The last time I remember seeing my makeup bag was Thursday, and I had left it in my van. And then Friday, I was at a Disney Channel thing with my kid all day. He was being an extra again. And so Saturday, I went to get my makeup bag out of the van, where I remember it being, and it is not there anymore. So I kind of searched around, and I can't seem to find it anywhere, which is kind of distressing because if somebody else brought it in or if I brought it in and I've just forgotten, I've looked all the places that it might have been put and haven't been able to find it. So I'm not trying really hard not to think about how many hundreds of dollars of lip scents that's in that bag. The regular makeup is probably only about $50 or $60 to replace, so that's okay, but the lip scents. Okay, moving on. We don't need to worry about that. But anyway, that's my explanation of why I'm lovely and makeup-less today. I hope you guys don't mind. I'm sure you don't. But anyway, so how are you all today? I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. I had a pretty great day today. I'm just going to skip right to the weigh-in right now so that you guys can see where I am at. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 194.4 pounds. That's a 1.3 pound gain for the week, which isn't so distressing because I was actually expecting it to be a lot worse. This is the week of the month that I generally put on some water weight, so I was expecting at least a 4 pound gain, so I'm pretty happy with only the one. And I did pretty well on my tracking this week. I know you guys know that I was going back to tracking and doing my regular macros. I made it pretty far through the week. I successfully tracked everything and stayed within my macros Monday through Thursday. Then Friday, I was at that Disney Channel thing, and I had to eat what they had, which was really low in fat, and I felt really hungry, and I think I didn't really track because I didn't have any way of weighing it out. So I'm not 100% sure if I ate too little or too much. It felt like too little, but I'm sure it was probably too much. I did have a protein bar because I was dying. In fact, I think I ended up having 2, but I think I only videotaped it once. So I just had a hard time. I think it was more nervous energy than anything. I just was bored. I had to sit there for literally 12 hours, sun up to sundown, on a hard chair in a school gym with nothing to do, and my phone died, and oh man, it was fun times, I'll tell you what. With the things that we will do for our children so they can get paid $100. I love him, and he loves doing it, so that's why I go, but it was miserable. And then on Saturday, I spent the whole day shopping and running kids to Nutcracker while my husband sat at the Disney Channel thing with my kid, because he's wonderful. And at the Disney Channel thing, it was so freezing cold, they wouldn't turn off the AC. The AC was blowing on me the entire time, and I was dying from the cold. Literally freezing to death. I was almost in tears. I was so miserable. I can't even tell you how bad it was. Dave says that they actually shut off the AC finally, and so it wasn't miserable for him yesterday. But for me on Friday, it was pretty bad. So I spent the whole day shopping, and I didn't track perfectly. I was careful, but I did overeat my macros. I know I did overeat my macros on Saturday because I ended up doing a snack. Well, not a snack. I should call it a gas station meal. I did stop and grab like a beef jerky stick, the low carb ones, the Jack Link's original that only have 2 carbs, and what else? Oh, and a Quest protein cookie. And I did eat that for like a third meal kind of thing, like I had been doing previously. So I wasn't 100% perfect. I am going to keep doing the best I can. You know, I this morning I ate my same first meal like I always do, and I'm planning on not eating till dinner. So there's that. So I don't know if my tracking was as successful as I was hoping, but it did seem like I feel like I looked thinner. But I actually was distressed because I measured myself and I had actually gone up in about a half an inch on most of the places on my body. I am calling it a fluke week and I'm not counting it 100%. But yeah, I was pretty chagrined to find that I not only didn't lose on the scale, but I also didn't lose any inches, which is usually my saving grace. Not only did I not lose inches, I gained inches, which was a little bit distressing. But I'm just going to call it a fluke. Maybe I have put on some water weight, but I don't really feel like I have. It's a new one, folks. It's a new one. And I'm not going to worry about it unless it gets worse. So I'm going to keep on keeping on with my tracking. I'm still planning for family pictures on Thursday, and I'm excited about that. I went and did a lot of shopping for that. I'm feeling pretty happy with how things are going right now. And so I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you know things were going well, and I'm happy and all of that. So I hope you guys are feeling the same. I hope you guys are all still motivated to keep going and that we're all still at least staying keto, even if we fall off the fat wagon a little bit and overeat our macros just a tad. Hopefully I'm not the only one out there that has days like that. I'm sure that's the truth. Plus, it's really hard to switch back to eating the lower calories when you've been used to eating the higher calories. And I've been eating the higher calories for 2 months, so I'm kind of used to it. And I kind of like it. So it's kind of hard to go back. But hey, I did it once before. I'm sure I can do it again. I'm just going to keep trucking on. It's only a month, and I'm going to go back to lazy keto in November and December. So just going to keep on keeping on with what I've been doing. And I hope that works for you guys. And I hope that you guys like that. And thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me, for being my friend, for being motivator, for being so positive and so wonderful all of the time. I have the best subscribers on YouTube. You guys are all lovely, wonderful people. And so I just wanted to let you know how much I love and appreciate every single one of you and how grateful I am for all of your comments and the time that you take to watch my videos. It means a lot. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll talk to you again soon.